In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own KDP, or Kindle Direct Publishing, account on Amazon. This is an important step if you're looking to publish and distribute your books through Amazon, reaching a wide audience of readers. So let's dive into the process together. To get started, you'll need to visit the KDP website. Open your preferred web browser and type in kdp.amazon.com, then press enter. This will take you to the home page, where you can either sign up or sign in to begin creating your account. If you're new to KDP and haven't published with Amazon before, click on the option that says Sign Up or Create Your KDP account. This will guide you through setting up a brand new account. For those who already have an existing Amazon account, you can simply click on Sign In and enter your usual Amazon login information. This is handy as it allows you to use your existing credentials, making the process a bit quicker. Now comes the part where you need to provide some essential information. You'll be asked to enter your name, a valid email address, and a secure password. Make sure your password is strong, incorporating a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure your account remains protected. After you've input all of that, you'll be prompted to verify your email address. This is a standard security measure, so keep an eye on your inbox for an email from Amazon. Click on the verification link they send, and you'll be all set to proceed with the setup. Next, it's time to enter your author information. You'll need to provide your legal name, your address, and any other details that are requested. Accuracy is key here since this information will be tied to your publishing activities and payment details. Speaking of payments, the next step requires you to input your bank account details. This is crucial for you to receive royalties from your book sales. You'll need to enter your bank account number and, depending on your country, possibly a routing number. This ensures the funds go directly into your bank account without any issues. Lastly, let's talk about taxes. You'll need to provide tax information such as a TIN or taxpayer identification number, especially if you're operating from the US. This information is necessary for compliance with both Amazon's regulations and local laws. Before wrapping up, double-check everything to make sure all the information is correct and legally compliant. Remember, Amazon might review your account for adherence to their terms of service and content guidelines. It's essential to ensure that everything is in order to avoid any potential hiccups down the road. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully set up your Kindle Direct Publishing account and begin your journey as a published author on Amazon. Happy publishing!